Browser, navigate to this link. Click Wildcat Portal. Click the Enter Your Alabama.edu field. Type your A-number email address. Click Sign In to sign in into your account. If you have not claimed your Alabama.edu account, then you will need to go to this link and click the Claim Your Account button. Click Next. Click the Password field. Enter your password. Click Sign In. If you prefer to not have this pop up every time, click Don't Show This Again. If you would like to stay signed in, click Yes. If you need to access Canvas, click on the Canvas card. To see your other resources, such as Microsoft Office, click on the ellipsis, 3 lines in the left-hand corner. Click the word Resources to open up a drop-down that contains Office 365. Click Office 365. Click Apps, and it will take you to the Bishop State apps, such as Microsoft Word. Congratulations, you have just accessed your Wildcat Portal successfully.